in the classroom. Good morning, class.
Good morning, Miss Johnson.
How are you all today?
We're good, thank you.
That's great to hear. Let's start our lesson. Today we're going to learn about comparative adjectives. Comparative adjectives are used to compare differences between the two objects they modify. For example, this book is more interesting than that one. To form comparative adjectives, we often add er to short adjectives and use more before longer adjectives. For example, fast becomes faster, and beautiful becomes more beautiful. Can anyone give me a sentence using a comparative adjective?
My car is faster than yours.
Excellent. Now let's practice. I'll say a sentence and you tell me the comparative form of the adjective. She is tall.
Taller.
Great job. Now let's try another one. This movie is interesting.
More interesting.
Now I'll divide you into groups. Each group will come up with 3 sentences using comparative adjectives. Use your imagination. Okay, let's hear from group 1 first. What sentences did you come up with?
Our first sentence is, this painting is more beautiful than that one. Second, his apartment is cleaner than hers. And third, summer is hotter than spring.
Excellent work, group 1. Now let's hear from group 2.
Our first sentence is, my dog is friendlier than yours. Second, this phone is more expensive than that one. And third, winter is colder than summer.
Excellent work, group 2. Here are 20 examples of comparative adjectives. Read aloud with me. She is taller than her brother. This book is more interesting than that one. House is bigger than mine. My car is faster than yours. The red dress is prettier than the blue one. English is easier than French. He is more intelligent than his classmates. This restaurant is better than the one we went to last week. Her job is more stressful than mine. My apartment is smaller than yours. She's happier today than yesterday. This test is more difficult than the previous one. The movie was less boring than I expected. Your phone is more expensive than mine. His dog is friendlier than hers. She is more talented than her sister. The hotel room is nicer than I thought. The new model is better than the old one. Your homework, comment your 5 sentences using comparative adjectives. That's all for today. I hope you've learned something new about comparative adjectives. Remember to practice them in your writing and speaking. Have a great day.
Thank you, Miss Johnson.